My past life was a very difficult one. I'm a very hard person, and I easily get angered on the things that I really don't like. So, even my family knows that I'm a very difficult person. Even to them, I get angry on things that I really don't like with them. So I always thought that I had a good career, but hindi naman talaga because I had a bad working environment with my co-employees. They smoke, they drink, and they play games during work time, so it wasn't really a good time. But last October 2007, I had a car accident, and it was a difficult time for me kasi my family was so mad at me, and it was a freak accident kasi car yun eh. And difficult for me because I have to raise money para mapaayos yung sasakyan. And that time, hindi lang naman yun yung problem ko. I had a lot of issues sa life ko. So, I knew I needed a change of heart. So, by January 2008, I decided to attend the encounter. That time, I knew I will change my life na. And I think God really responded dun sa call na that ginawa ko to Him. And it wasn't a mistake kasi it really changed my life. And now that I'm a Christian, I learned how to humble myself, and I learned also how to love other people and how to be compassionate to other people as well. So in my career, I started asking God for a new work because I really don't have a good environment sa workplace. So God answered it after 2 months. I got hired in this a good company, the Emerson company, and it was a good company kasi it's a really great experience na makapag-work doon. The best part of it, do sa US travel ko is I get to see my mom sa US. Kasi she's been working there for like 20 years na, and she really wanted us, our family, to get there. Pero since we have a lot of financial struggles, hindi namin nagawa yun. So when I get there, she was so happy, and she started crying when she saw me kasi hindi niya talaga ina-expect yun eh. So it was really a happy moment sa life. It was a great start sa career ko sa Emerson because in last 2011 I get to travel again sa US, and I get to see my mom again there. So it was really a good career for me. And in the past 4 years, I really experienced a lot of promotion, a lot of salary increase. If I'm going to compare my salary today and last 2008, it's like 300% increase already. So it was really a humbling moment for me before God, and I really give all the honor to God. Aside dun sa success that I had sa workplace, I think the most important thing that I had there is when I started handling a cell group sa Ortigas. And I think that's the thing na na-fulfill talaga ako, because if you're making impact to other people, then that is more satisfying kesa yung sa success na receive natin sa workplace. Indeed, all I needed in my past 4 years sa career ko is God's love and God's presence. Sabi sa John 3:16, for God so loved the world that He gave His one and only begotten Son, that whosoever believes in Him shall not perish and have everlasting life. So, yung love ng God is already there for us. We just have to receive it. And next, yung Exodus 33:15, sabi ni Moses kay God, if your presence does not go with us, do not set us up from here. So, I think if we have that attitude of Moses na we cannot go without His presence, then talagang kakailanganin natin yung presensya niya wherever we go. Crossover, let's just take to the 4 greatest meetings na dapat natin nagagawa every week, or even every day. no, yung devotion, yung cell group, yung services, and yung training. I believe if we stick on to this, then the presence of God will be upon us, and He will not leave us nor forsake us.